Okay, good morning, folks. So I got a couple of messages from students yesterday saying that they had difficulty downloading the reading because it was a really large file, so the download time was really, really long. So I'm still posting a PDF for you to be able to download, but in addition to that, on the website, I'm also posting a link to a Google folder where I've taken scans of each page of the reading individually. So if the whole file is too big to download, you can go to that folder and download each page one by one if your bandwidth isn't quite enough to be able to get the whole file at one time. Okay. Today we're going to revisit the difference between chemical changes and physical changes. So a little bit of a spoiler alert here, but I don't think I'm breaking this news to anybody. Chemical changes result when we break apart and form new chemical bonds. So either ionic bonds or covalent bonds. And when we break these bonds apart and form new ones, we create a new substance in the process. You'll remember physical changes. We're changing the appearance, the shape, the size, but not the actual chemical nature or chemical properties of that substance. So we actually first learned this way back when we started learning about matter in November. So I think a quick review is going to be really, really helpful. And furthermore, when you start researching your chemical reactions for the Everyday Chemical Reactions project, you're going to need to be able to identify observable evidence that a chemical change is taking place, that it's not purely a physical change. So I'm not going to spoil it anymore. Do the reading, and you'll see what some of those pieces of observational evidence can be to know that a chemical change has in fact occurred. Okay. So, as always, log on to Google Classroom, download the file titled Chemical Changes Reading to Notability, complete the prompts, and make your annotations. Once you're finished, attach your completed work to the Chemical Reactions homework folder. And again, as always, if you finished with any extra remaining time in our period, please use this to complete any past assignments, like if you weren't able to access the reading yesterday. Work in your science squads on the weekly challenge, or keep working to select those 3 topic choices that you want to pursue for your Everyday Chemical Reactions project. And on Friday, I'll have you submit those 3 choices on a Google form that ranks them number 1, number 2, number 3, because like we did with Matter Matters, we're going to try to eliminate any repeat topics. Okay. As always, I'm available to answer any questions you may have by email. And I'll also be hosting a Google Hangout today between 11 and 12 for periods 3 and 4. And that's always the code to access that meeting is chemistry. Okay, so that's for whatever period and whatever day you meet based on that. All right, folks, good luck, and we'll see you again tomorrow. All right, take care.